Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Leah Lee, and we are back with another video. More exciting than anything, I'm ready to show you guys and share with you all a new service that I am going to be including within my treatment room and my at-home routine. Introducing the 7E Wellness Myolift Mini. This is what we have, you guys. This is the microcurrent device. We are going to go ahead and jump right into all the details, the intro, what is microcurrent, why is this the machine that you want to go with, and I'm even going to do a little demo on myself so you can see before and after towards the end of the video. The Myolift Mini is an FDA cleared true microcurrent device. This device is going to help you to work on fine lines and wrinkles and even lift your skin and your muscles as well, all while bringing Botox-like effects. Some of you may be a little unsure about how this really works. How is microcurrent going to bring me Botox-like effects? How is this going to smooth out my fine lines and wrinkles? And let's dive right into all of it. Microcurrent mimics the body's natural current, right? So with that, it also is going to re-educate your muscles in your facial area. The area that we're going to cater to for the most part is the neck up, and we're going to want to stay away from the thyroid glands because we don't want to irritate anything or mess up anything going on with our body's chemistry and thyroids, okay? So stay clear of this, and during the demo you will see how I do stay clear of that area. And if you want to check out more tutorials or how-tos, you can always click the details down below if you feel like you need a little bit more education, a little bit more walkthrough. All the information and education is going to be down below. Using electricity to rejuvenate the skin, microcurrent is also going to diminish fine lines and wrinkles while lifting your facial muscles. Microcurrent triggers ATP, which is your cellular energy production. That is going to help to stimulate collagen and elastin. Let's go ahead and clear this up now. The pain, you do not need a pain tolerance with this. No, this is not going to hurt. You may feel even like or taste a little bit of a metallic metal taste in your mouth, which is completely normal. You'll get used to it too as you continue to use the device, or if you're going to a spa setting as you continue to get treatments. How often are we going to use this machine? Yes, you can use it every day. Like when you first get something, you're like a kid on Christmas morning. You want to use it every single day. You want to get the best results. But just like if you were to go to the gym and work out every single day on the same workout, doing the same thing every single day, your body is going to build up lactic acid. You are going to be extremely sore, and you really aren't possibly going to receive results that you want because you're only doing the same workout. Now this is going to be the same way. So if you do this treatment every day, if you decide to purchase this device and treat your skin and your muscles, I recommend that you switch up the muscle treatments that you are treating. So if you're going to treat this area going upwards, switch it up. Maybe one day you're going to work this, maybe one day you're going to work this way, and then the next day maybe you just want to work on your jawline, and then the next day maybe you want to work on the upper region of your face. So just switch it up. I hope that makes sense. I have like an image and like a diagram in my head, but I really hope that makes sense to y'all. So let me know in the comments if you need me to clear that up. But starting out, just so you can get on a routine, recommended 2 to 3 times a week. A major tip about this device is that it can go extremely high, and it can go to levels that you may begin to see or even feel muscles twitching. If and when that happens, immediately take the probes off of the skin and turn the machine down. I know it can be a thing where we get into our head. If we turn something up to the highest that it can go, we'll receive the results that we want faster. All you're going to do is cause major issues. So turn that sucker down and start slow and steady. Once you've been using this for a couple months, or even within your monthly routine, maybe you can turn it up a little by little, but within the first month, the first 2 months, the first 3 months, definitely take it easy and get yourself and your muscles acclimated to how the machine works. Here are our 2 probes that come with the Myolift Mini, and this has a button right at the top. We are going to go ahead and push level 1 erase. Erase is what is going to help diminish the fine lines and wrinkles in our crow's feet area, the 11s, around the mouth, around the nasal flaps, those area. If you have any in your chin area, you can do that as well. Now, to do the lift, this is what is going to be called educate. And you can just push that right there. Level 1 starts you out at the base. And if you were to hit level 2, it takes you up to 350. Now you can increase the time, increase the intensity. You can lower it. You can do a whole bunch. And let's see what the intensity goes up to, because right now we have it at 780, 790, 400. 400 is extremely high. I am definitely not putting this on my skin at 400. So let's go ahead and push that back down to erase level 1. This comes with they sell their own conductivity gel, which is something that is going to be essential to using this machine. Okay, so down here at the bottom, you see this clear bar at the moment. Well, when this is on the skin and working, it is going to turn black, and it is going to continuously, like right now, you see that it's not conducting anything because the conductivity gel is not on my face. Now let's apply a little bit. Okay, let's put some, let's start right here. If I was going to want to treat this area, if I had the 11s and if I had crow's feet, now this is something that I definitely do not want. So beginning this now at the age that I am, it is going to do great at prevention. You want to be proactive instead of being reactive when it comes to skin. This is a facial muscle chart, and it tells you where to use the erase and where to use the educate. Remember that the erase means to separate those fine lines, and the educate means to lift. So let's go ahead and turn this on. You see that the conductivity bar is flashing, and that is great because I don't know of any other machines that are microcurrent machines that tell you when the machine is actually working and when it is not working. That is a tremendous help to make sure that you are doing it correctly and that everything is working as it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead, and if I had the 11s, I would put them right here. The conductivity bar is fully black, and you would pull apart. Any fine lines you're going to pull apart, meet, and pull apart. And if I had crow's feet, I would meet and pull apart. We are going to do the educate, which is going to be the lift. I think personally this would probably be like my favorite one because who doesn't want like a nice natural lift, right? So I'm gonna put this all around here. And for this one, you are going to hold one and pull one, and you're gonna take about 3 to 6 seconds each pull all around until you're finished. This one is going to be educate level 2, and the intensity is at 350, and we're gonna go ahead and begin. this is exactly how I would do this treatment at home and within my spa setting. Y'all know y'all want to try this out. All the details will be down in the description, you guys. I really hope I haven't left anything out. I don't think I have. Any discount codes, anything, more info, y'all already know. It's going to be down below. So check it out. Let me know what you think of this video and my result. Let's see. Personally, I think there is a little bit more of a lift, more of a awaken effect that I see. I need to do the other side because the other side is looking like sleepy weepy. I don't know if y'all see the major difference like in my eyes. Like this eye looks more open, and I don't know how you would be able to fade like one eye like this without looking too obvious. Like this eye truly does look more open, and like the brow area looks more pronounced. The contour lines and the jaw lines look a little bit more pronounced. We on to something. It's time to do this side. So I'm wrapping up this video right here. I hope you all enjoyed it. I definitely did. And if this is something that you are ready to bring into your home or within your treatment room, click the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.